I replaced the spark plugs, the transmission mount, both engine mounts, and I still have a rough idle. And I went around all the vacuum lines and I checked everything by spraying carb cleaner on there, and I can't find any leaks there. And then I touched this one and it just snapped. This is the EGR on this side and it broke. So I got that part, and then this one going to the switch here. There. So there's the two, transparent with a blue mark. And then there's two more going back underneath the manifold. These are transparent with like an orange line. Okay, there's the hose. You can tell by the color in the center how hot this has gotten. Extremely brittle. It's just breaking. But I did get the size on the EPC. They're made in Germany, and it just says 4x1. 1mm ID, 4mm OD. Look the same, and these rubber elbows are still in good shape, so I can reuse those. I'm just going to cut a piece of vacuum line a little bit longer than that. I'll just route it through underneath the water hose there. And put this end on first. And then on this side, and put this on tight and get it on the stem right there. There's two more vacuum lines up here, and one went down to the switch, this one, and as soon as I touched it, it broke just like the other one. So this is brittle. The one I broke goes underneath the manifold around there and comes up to here, and I'm going to see if I can route it through and get it onto that connection. You can see the clear tube goes into this Y, and I can take that one off and try to disconnect it right here. There. That's what it looks like on the top. So I've got probably over 9 feet of this. I'll just follow the other tube as a guide and route it through. Okay, I've got the vacuum lines routed through. I'm following the old one and came up on this side. Now I'm going to take this Y connector and just pull the old tube out. There, you can see it moving down there. This should just come right out. There we go. Okay, I got the Y connector hooked up. I got zip ties on both of these so they're tight. Okay, I disconnected it from this electric connection. I'm going to remove it from the hose. Just routing it through, following the old one. Okay, I got the new line routed through. I'm going to pull the old one out. Just snapped. Well, at least I got the rubber part right there. Okay, I got the rubber elbow on. Now I got to put it on the pin. I can't really see it, but I can feel it. On the other side of the throttle body, and I got it on, got it routed through up to the front, and now I'm going to cut it and install it. Okay, these were loose, so I got zip ties on both, and I'm just going to reinstall this electric connection, and then I'll be done. Nah, I think it's like it was before, really. I don't think those vacuum lines done anything for the rough idle.